Hello, once again, you're welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook. And basically, what we do is that we look out for opportunities in the markets and how to trade them, and then also use as educational material to also support our decision making. Okay, with this, we look at it from different points of views. We look at the technical analysis, and then we also look at fundamental analysis. Okay, and as you can see on my screen, we have economic calendar which falls under fundamental analysis, basically looking out for economic indicators that has chances of moving the market in the coming week. Okay, so if you have a close look at it on the 23rd, because right from the holidays 21st 22nd there's not going to be much events. So from 23rd we have new home sales coming from the US. Bank of England governor also will be giving a speech. Thursday, we also have, durable goods, initial job claims, which is very, very important coming up. So, if you're a trader, you should bear in mind that these events have high chances of moving the markets. So, you need to be mindful of how you approach them. Okay. So, we are going to get straight, now that we have done with the fundamentals, we're going to also get straight into action with the technicals. Okay, so then I select and move on to my, okay, so now I have switched on to my MT5, and this is how the MT5 looks like. Okay, so now from the crypto market, remember in the financial market we have different markets that you'll be trading. Okay, so the first instrument I would like us to look at is coming from the crypto market. Okay, and that instrument is BTCUSD. Okay, BTCUSD. So, if you've been following Bitcoin for some time now, you realize that it has depreciated in value for some time now. So we will first select our downtrend line. At this point, the moment. Okay. A moment. Okay. So as you can see on your screen, Bitcoin has been in a downtrend for some time now. So it's good to draw our downtrend line. I'm selecting that. Our downtrend line to indicate the key levels where price got rejected and all of that. Okay. So if you take a very close look at it, you realize that a moment. Yes. You would realize that the downtrend started from this point. It started here. Let me pick out this element, and then started here. Okay, where I have it here, and then price first got rejected here. So there's been multiple rejections. Okay, price got rejected here, and then here it was a bit closer to the downtrend line, but it didn't touch it. Theoretically, we can take it, assume as it got rejected here too, and then finally got rejected here. But still, you realize that the rejection hasn't been that deep. Okay, so price is still approaching the downtrend line at this point. So if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, you can wait for the downtrend line to be broken to the upside, and then you place your buy trade. Have your stop loss below the downtrend line. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunities, you can wait for the candlestick to get rejected by the downtrend line to the downside, and then there you place your sell trade, have your stop loss above the downtrend line, and then your take profit below the downtrend line. Okay, so it's very, very important to be mindful of the key levels, apply your risk management. So when I talk about stop loss, take profits, all that I'm just trying to say is be mindful of your risk management. Okay, yes, so that is very, very important. In the commodities market, I would like us to look at oil. Okay, that's US oil. A moment. Okay. This. All right. So you realize that the price, okay, price has been rejected twice at this key level. A moment. Here. Okay. So first, price got rejected here. Here at this point. And then secondly, it got rejected here. Okay. It got rejected here. and it got broken. That same that support got broken to the downside. So this was where the breakout happened. Okay, this point. Now price is trying its best to get back to that level. So initially it was a support at this point, which got broken and now currently serving as a resistance. And as you can see, price approaching the resistance. If you are looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for this resistance to get broken to the upside, you place your buy trade. Or if you are looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the resistance to reject the price to the downside, then you place your sell trade. But remember, in all of these, ensure that you have your stop loss, take profit, which all fall under risk management to get your capital protected. And also if you're making profit, you ensure you take your profit at the right time. Okay, and when it comes to the forex market, I would like us to look at AUDUSD. Okay, I already have a trade running in there. AUDUSD. A moment. AUDUSD. So you realize that price it has had multiple rejections. Okay, which we are going to have a look at. Okay, so first, price got rejected at this level, which is the resistance here. Let me use the objects to okay, to identify that. So here price got rejected here, here price got rejected again. So this was the second time price got rejected at the same resistance level. Okay, and currently you can see price getting rejected, but it's still closer to the resistance. Okay, so if you are a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, in this case it's very simple and straightforward. You wait for this resistance to get broken to the upside, and when it gets broken, you place your trade. You ensure you have your stop loss and take profits all in place as part of your risk management. And also if you're looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the resistance to fully reject the price or the candlestick to the downside. There you place your stop loss and take profit. Okay, the stop loss take profit falls under risk management, which is very, very important. So basically this is how our market or weekly market outlook, since it's been holiday, there's not much activity in the market, so we can just hang on to this, make good use of these key levels opportunities in the coming week. Okay, yes, thank you very much for joining me. Catch you next week. Bye bye.